Today we will try to explain you what is quantum mechanics as quickly as possible and why it is so important and necessary for physics. Although quantum mechanics is one of the most vast fields in physics and cannot be fully understood without years of learning and research, we'll explain to you the very basics of it. You can say that this is one of the branches which has no boundaries and is steadily and constantly growing. This is Knowledge Simplified and you are watching Why is Quantum Mechanics Important?
Firstly, let's discuss what quantum mechanics is. Quantum mechanics is a set of mathematical principles that attempts to explain the behavior of atoms and subatomic particles. Atomic and subatomic particles are the microscopic particles which make up every object in the world. So you can imagine, without a proper theory and a proper understanding, how hard it was to study about atomic particles and their properties. It was as if this field was a dead end. Until in the 1920s, the early quantum theory was invented by Erwin Schrödinger, Werner Heisenberg and Max Born, which changed the course of physics. This quantum theory is the theoretical basis of modern physics that explains the nature and behavior of matter and energy on the atomic and subatomic level. The nature and behavior of matter and energy at the level is sometimes referred to as quantum physics and quantum mechanics.
Now for a minute, let's appreciate quantum mechanics and its value in our daily lives. Without quantum mechanics, our smartphones, computers would not exist. Communication at this fast rate of speed would not have been possible and would have been far, far, far beyond imagination.
Moving on, what makes quantum mechanics and classical mechanics different? To simply put it, the former explains the properties of small or even microscopic objects, whereas the latter provides basis for the study of motion of large properties. This ever-growing branch of physics was initially invented because the classical mechanics provided no means to properly explain the properties of atomic and subatomic particles.
And the very precious and useful GPS system would not have existed. If we get into the details of these individual inventions, it will take time, and our aim in this video is to explain it as briefly and as quickly as possible.
So, let's just take a step back and recap everything we learned in this video. Quantum mechanics is responsible for the study and research of atomic and subatomic particles. It was needed because classical mechanics wasn't able to provide plausible results. Classical mechanics is used for large objects, whereas quantum mechanics provides results about microscopic objects.
Alright, so this was all from our side. If you learned something in this video, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind. If you want to see a more detailed video on quantum mechanics, drop a comment below and we'll see you very, very soon.